Hey there, health enthusiasts. Welcome back to Health Spiffy, your go-to channel for all things wellness and nutrition. I'm Leo M, and today we've got a real treat for you. We're diving into the world of nutrition with a focus on fat burning and, of course, deliciousness. So, grab a seat, hit that subscribe button, and let's get started. 5 super protein fruits with fat burning ability. Today, we're talking about 5 super protein fruits that not only taste amazing but also have fat burning abilities. Yep, you heard it right. These fruits are not just great for your taste buds but can also give your metabolism a little boost. Intrigued? Well, let's jump right in. Avocado. Kicking off our list is the creamy and versatile avocado. Now, you might be thinking, Leo, avocados are fatty, not exactly what I'd call fat burning. But hold on. Avocados are rich in monounsaturated fats, which actually promote fat metabolism. Avocados are packed with fiber, keeping you fuller for longer and reducing the temptation for unhealthy snacks. Plus, they contain a unique combination of proteins that can kickstart your metabolism. Add slices to your salads or enjoy some guacamole as a tasty dip. Your taste buds and waistline will thank you. Berries. Next up, we have a colorful bunch, berries. Whether it's strawberries, blueberries, or raspberries, these little powerhouses are not just bursting with flavor but are also packed with antioxidants and fiber. Berry antioxidant benefits. Antioxidants help combat oxidative stress in the body, which can contribute to weight gain. The fiber content in berries aids in digestion and helps regulate blood sugar levels, preventing those energy crashes that lead to unhealthy snacking. Toss them into your morning smoothie, mix them into yogurt, or simply enjoy a handful as a refreshing snack. Kiwi. Moving on to the exotic and vibrant kiwi. This little green gem is not just a vitamin C powerhouse, it also packs a punch in terms of fat-burning potential. Kiwi vitamin C and fiber content. Vitamin C is essential for the synthesis of carnitine, a compound that plays a crucial role in the body's fat-burning process. Additionally, kiwis are high in fiber, aiding digestion and promoting a healthy gut, a key factor in maintaining a balanced metabolism. Slice up some kiwi for a snack or add it to your fruit salad for a tropical twist. Guava. Now, let's talk about a tropical delight, guava. This fruit not only tantalizes your taste buds but also supports your body in burning those unwanted fats. Guava fiber and metabolism boost. Guavas are rich in dietary fiber, which promotes a feeling of fullness and prevents overeating. Additionally, they contain metabolism-boosting nutrients like B-complex vitamins and folate. Guava can be enjoyed on its own or blended into a delicious smoothie. Trust me, your metabolism will thank you. Watermelon. Last but certainly not least, we have the ultimate hydrating and refreshing fruit, watermelon. But did you know that it's not just water content? Watermelon is also a great addition to your fat-burning arsenal. Watermelon hydration and citrulline benefits. Watermelon is packed with hydration, and staying hydrated is essential for optimal metabolism. But here's the kicker. It contains citrulline, a compound that helps your body burn fat more efficiently. Enjoy it as a snack, blend it into a juice, or toss it into a summer salad for that extra burst of flavor. Now, let's delve a bit deeper into the protein-packed goodness of these super fruits. You might be surprised to learn that fruits can be a great source of protein, and incorporating them into your diet can be a game changer, especially if you're looking to shed some extra pounds. Protein in fruits. While fruits are not typically associated with high protein content compared to, say, meats or legumes, they do contain essential amino acids that contribute to overall protein intake. The combination of vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and, yes, protein in fruits makes them a well-rounded addition to a balanced diet. Avocado protein powerhouse. Let's start with our first contender, the avocado. Not only is it a creamy delight, but it's also a surprising source of plant-based protein. Avocados contain all 9 essential amino acids, making them a complete protein source, a rarity in the fruit world. Berry protein boost. Now, let's talk berries. While they might be small, they pack a punch when it comes to nutritional benefits. Berries, like strawberries and blueberries, provide a decent amount of protein along with their antioxidant-rich profile. These little bursts of flavor can contribute to your daily protein intake without the need for animal products. Kiwi protein content. Ah, the kiwi. Not just a vitamin C powerhouse but also a surprising source of protein. While not as high as some other fruits, kiwis offer a good amount of protein per serving. It's a fantastic addition to your diet, providing both flavor and a protein boost. Guava's protein goodness. Guava, our tropical delight, doesn't just stop at being rich in fiber. It's also a noteworthy source of protein. Incorporating guava into your diet can contribute to your overall protein intake while keeping things tasty and interesting. Watermelon's protein surprise. And now, let's talk about the surprise contender, watermelon. While it's true that watermelon is primarily known for its high water content, it also offers a small but notable amount of protein. It's a perfect example of how fruits can provide a multifaceted nutritional benefit. Complete protein sources for vegans. Now, for all my fellow vegans out there, I've got something special for you. We often get asked, where do you get your protein? Well, worry not because I've got your back. Let's explore some top complete protein sources for vegans, perfect for those looking to maintain a well-rounded and plant-based diet. Quinoa, the complete protein. First up on our vegan protein powerhouse list is quinoa. Often referred to as a superfood, quinoa is a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids that our bodies can't produce on their own. This makes quinoa a fantastic grain to include in your meals for a comprehensive protein boost. Lentils, the plant power protein. Next on our list are lentils. These little legumes are a plant power protein punch. Not only are they rich in protein, but they also boast an impressive amount of fiber. Lentils come in various colors, green, brown, and red, offering versatility in your meals while ensuring you get that protein fix. Chickpeas, the fiber-rich protein. Ah, the mighty chickpeas. Whether you're enjoying them as hummus, tossed in salads, or roasted for a crunchy snack, chickpeas are a fantastic source of plant-based protein. They're also rich in fiber, aiding digestion and keeping you satisfied. Buckwheat, the nutrient-dense protein. Last but certainly not least, let's talk about buckwheat. Despite its name, buckwheat is not a type of wheat, it's a seed. And guess what? It's a complete protein source. Buckwheat is not only nutrient-dense but also gluten-free, making it a fantastic option for those with dietary restrictions. Super protein fruits recap. So, there you have it. These super protein fruits aren't just about fantastic taste and fat-burning capabilities. They also bring a solid dose of protein to the table. Avocado, berries, kiwi, guava, and watermelon, each contributing to your protein intake in its own unique way. Before you rush off to incorporate these fantastic fruits into your diet, don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to Health Spiffy for more nutrition insights. I'm Leo M, signing off. Stay healthy, stay spiffy, and I'll catch you in the next one.